Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile with a controller. First, make sure your controller has sufficient power, either fully charged or with new batteries. Next, open your mobile device's settings and enable Bluetooth. Then, activate your controller's pairing mode, usually by holding down specific buttons so your device can find it. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. Once your controller is in pairing mode, select it from the list of available Bluetooth devices on your phone or tablet. After successful pairing, launch Call of Duty Mobile. Within the game, access the settings menu, typically found via a gear icon. Look for the dedicated Controller tab, which houses all the necessary adjustments for your gameplay experience. Inside the controller settings, ensure that controller support is enabled. This activates the game's recognition of your connected device. You can then customize various aspects, such as aiming sensitivity, button mapping, and vibration feedback. Take some time to experiment with different configurations. Finding your preferred layout will significantly enhance your gameplay and overall enjoyment. To truly master controller play, spend some time in the training modes. This allows you to familiarize yourself with the new input method without pressure. Be aware that certain game modes within Call of Duty Mobile might not offer controller support. Finally, always ensure both your mobile device and controller are adequately charged to avoid any interruptions during intense gameplay sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.